Whoa, okay. Lights on today. Looks like we got a good battery, I think. What are we doing? This. We've had this installed for maybe a week. This hose is just fine. It is hot in here. Jesus Christ. It hasn't rained, so I haven't gotten this waterlogged or nothing like that. Oh, Jesus. There's stuff going on. But so far, so good. I mean, it's air intake. It does air intake things. So I'm gonna go on a little drive. Close this up. Yo, it's hot, bro. Like, summer just started. It's scorching hot. Oh my God. This summer's gonna suck, man, I tell you. Sketchy entrance, I'm not gonna lie. That was a sketchy entrance. Yeah, so the intake is good. The problem is people will tell you that you can't feel a difference, right? And I'm gonna put heavy quotes on that. They say you can't feel a difference. What is that? What do they mean? What they mean is that you're not gonna feel like the car is faster than what it was before you put the intake on, right? However, that's not the feeling you get. The feeling that you get is more so of like a throttle response. So when you hit the gas, see, I just like tap the gas like twice. It's more immediate. Like it's like right there and it's ready to go. The old intakes, you hit the gas and there's a bit of a delay. There's not much of a delay in this instance after I put this this Blackwing intake on. So that's the difference you're gonna feel. The car is technically not faster. You do get a bit more horsepower. Not anything that you'd be able to like really feel. You do get a better throttle response. I explained it in one of my last videos. I think it was the install video. That the car feels like it can breathe. Like before, felt kind of restricted, kind of like if you have like a cold and you have a stuffy nose, like that feeling. That's what it feels like. When I put the Blackwing on, I gotta get over it. Put the Blackwing on to drink or taste something with like mint in it, and you feel like you can feel it hit your nose and it feels like you can breathe better. That's what it feels like. That's what the car will feel like. Obviously you get used to it after like maybe a week or so you get used to it, but I guarantee if I put that stock intake back on, it'll feel like it has a common cold. It feels like the car has a cold. Like that's as best as I can describe it. Plus, your engine bay looks better. So why not do it, you know? Why not? But the problem is that a lot of Corvette owners, they like to keep their cars stock, and which is fine. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. But they basically tell everybody that aftermarket parts are not good and that the OEM stuff is better. Like, yeah, it was made for, you know, the engineers made the car, sure, but you can make your car better. You can make it look nicer, sound better, feel better. Nothing wrong with that. I would do it 1,000 times over, and I will tell anybody else to do it too. So I wouldn't do the zip tie method, and I wouldn't go about doing all that, to be honest. I would just suck it up and get an intake. Oh, something bad happened down there. Can't see. Gotta focus on driving anyway. What the helly? I think if I could do like a cat delete, man, this car would sound so good. That has some headers, but I've seen header installs. That looks like a pain in the ass. So I don't know if I want to do that myself. That'd be a fun project though. In there, okay. Don't tell me it's rain up here, dude. Like rain. Wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. It's time to go home. Nah, we're still gonna pull up. We're still gonna pull up. Don't even worry about it. Sheesh. Gotta do a driving in the rain video. Nah, I don't like driving in the rain in this car. Low-key kind of sketchy. Bro, the car is totaled, man. Driving in the rain, bro. That is crazy. Yo, I just teleported into some crazy stuff just now. Where are we? What the hell? That is crazy. Damn. This feels like Florida. It really does. Bro, we gotta do a speed run. We're getting rained on. We're gonna do a legit speed run out here, bro. We got a C7, Z06. Let's see, another Z06. Another C6. Going in. Oh. That thing is not starting. I am too. Clean. We're going through the back way. One thing about me is I'm not scared of no rain, brother. RX-7. Got 650S. Clean. Super. Yeah, GTR. Yo, the M2s are out. It's an M4. This shit is nice. Yo, I would get an M4 for sure, brother. Oh yeah, that's nice. Those nice wheels. Yo, this color on some BBSs, this is fire. Yo, look at that. Yo, all the BMWs are out today. Yo, we got a C5 Z06, brother. That's clean. You know, these wheels are growing on me, actually. I'm actually messing with these wheels. Before, not so much. And like now, I do wish that I got the damn Z06 because I miss having a trunk. Having a trunk is the best. The hatches are cool, but the trunks are really nice. What's this? MR2? This is fire. What track is this? I don't know what track that is off the top of my head. The MR2s are so clean, bro. I would absolutely get one of these. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen one of these in person. This is the car from what's that show? The anime? I forgot the name of the anime, bro. That interior is clean. I don't know if you can see in there. That's clean. Oh, this thing is gutted though. Is it a drift car? It might be.
Nice.
Oh, the beamer's out. Bro, I'm telling you, I'm not scared of no rain, brother. I am not scared of no rain. I'm out here. I'm from Florida, buddy. There's that Shelby again. Oh, the Z06 is out. Nice. Oh man, that fitment is nice. Oh, these wheels, hold on. Oh man, these BC Fords are fire, bro. Oh my god. That with the paint. Yo, that one's clean. Most underrated car in the world. That's like the new GT, I think. Jeez. Yo, these are fire. I'm actually messing with this. And I don't even like these cars that much. But this is fire. The white and blue. And I usually don't like black wheels. But this, I would drive this. No cap, I would drive this. I don't even think this blue is picking up on camera as it's supposed to. It's such a vibrant blue. This is nice. I can never get over how nice these are. I'll get the side in the sun. Oh, best car in the world? Damn, that's bright. Oh boy, it's standing up taking a pee. Yo, we got the Z06. Everybody has Z06. This is not that same Shelby. I don't know. Love that color. We got the Gallardo. Yo, this thing is little. I do not remember these being this small. This thing is nice. Wow. Which one? Yeah, pick. I'm pick the Gallardo. Oh, these wheels? That's a sick wheel color. Oh, this is the one that collects water. That's funny. This one's nice. And that big ass wing. And the exhaust. I swear, bro is at every car meet. I don't know the vibes. I got a soft top Viper. Have I ever seen a soft top before? I can't say that I have. I don't know how I feel about it. I can't say I know how I feel. I want a Supra so bad, bro. I wanted one of these back in the day. What the hell? See, look at these Supras, dog. These are just so clean. The wing, like, bro, look at this. Let me back up. Let me go to the main camera. You can't tell me that's not a sick thumbnail. Come on. I did hate that they didn't go with the concept version of this. I forget the name of it, but these grew on me a lot. I really do like the Supras. I absolutely need one of these, bro. Freaking C706, bro. Oh my God. This, to me, is what a Corvette is. The license plate? It's funny. Yeah, this is peak Corvette to me. People say the C6s are Corvettes to them, like the Corvette, but the C7s do it for me. I do like the C6s now, but the C7s, they're just special. They're special to me. Look at this. You can't tell me this car isn't fire. They grew on me a lot. You can't tell me this is not fire, bro. Crazy. This color, this wrap, that's nice. That's clean. I fucks with that. And then we got this. All right, I said the Porsche was bright, but this is fire. That's fire. I like that. Yeah, we had to get out of there. That rain was just coming, bro.